Knopa is a super cat in so many ways. He is a fantastic friend. He can sing and dance all day. Magic is all around. Knopa knows it and we do. Smile at us, play with us. We'll have fun, oh yes, it's true. Knopa is our bestest friend. He's a super cat. Who sneezed?
Vroom! Hey, watch out! All right, here I come.
Hey, my doll was there. Anyway, you're making me deaf with all the noise from your toy car.
Oh, bless you.
I don't need it. Don't you get sick, Jonah?
I am not sick. You're the one sneezing.
That was not me.
Somebody just sneezed.
But that wasn't me.
Then who was it? There's no one else here. Maybe it's Knopa. Where is he?
Knopa is on a shelf in my room. But Knopa is just a toy kitten. And toys do not get sick.
Oh, then who sneezed? Don't you think that it's strange? No one's home, yet someone's sneezing. Oh, what if a sick ghost has settled in our house?
Whoa. There is no such thing. Stop scaring me. Let's go and see who it is.
No one's here.
Here neither.
No one's here too. No one's here.
No one's here. Let's go and check the attic.
You mean the haunted attic? Hey, is someone there?
We know that you are here somewhere. Hey, friends.
Did you guys see who just sneezed?
Oh, there!
Grumper? Grumper, what are you doing up here? The dust is making you sneeze.
Jonah, that is not true. It's clean here.
We still need to go and clean his nose. What if it's really dusty? Let's use the vacuum to clean him.
Put that thing away now! That was a dumb thing to do. His nose is red. Maybe we can treat it with broadleaf, and it may relieve the irritation.
That's a good idea.
Oh no! Now it's gotten even worse. I think we need to bandage it now.
We don't have bandages.
But I have many ribbons I got from presents.
Bad idea. He isn't a present.
I don't understand. Grumper, what are you saying?
Knopa will help us.
What's happening? Knopa, what is Grumper saying? Purr, purr, purr. Meow, meow, moo.
Knopa, tell them, leave me alone. You see, they wrapped me in ribbons, almost vacuumed me, and my throat hurts, and now I want to sneeze.
Grumper, I think you are really sick. We need to go and bring you to a doctor.
A doctor? The guy in the white robe? No way. He's just going to smear my nose and tongue and throat. It'll sting my nose. I lose my sense of smell.
Hey, what are you doing?
Mom,
We need to cure him.
Oh, indeed. His nose is hot. I'll take him to the doctor. Do not be scared. The doctor's nice. He'll give you a bone, and he will cure you. Now come here, my dear.
Oh, I'm so worried. What if Grumper gets worse?
Grumper's a hero dog.
Don't you worry now, Mona. Grumper's in good hands.
We're back home. Come on, Grumper. Such a good dog. Run along. I'll just park the car.
Grumper, you're okay.
I'm amazing. The doctor wasn't scary at all. He gave me a bone, checked me out, prescribed medicine. Now I'll be cured soon. Woo!
Good job, Grumper.
It's good that you did listen to Mom.
Let us not be afraid of doctors. Greedy little bear.
Look what I can do.
Whoa, that's cool.
And I can also do this. Whoa.
Grumper, what scared you?
Who goes there?
It's me. I'm just a little bear cub toy. But I didn't come here to bother you. I came here to ask for some help from your magical Kitten Knopa. I really need some help, and then your dog found me. Don't worry, Grumper doesn't bite. Uh-huh. Everyone says that. But then I'll end up getting bitten, or I might end up being grabbed by him. I really need to speak with Knopa. It's urgent. Call him here quickly, please.
Sure thing. Friends, now let's call Knopa together. Knopa!
Knopa! Knopa! Knopa! Hello there, my friends. I heard that my help is needed here. Yes, I came here to ask for your assistance. Well, here's the thing. No one wants to become friends with me. When I visit my friends, they play with me once, but then they never call for me again. And I don't even know why. Don't be sad now. Let's figure all this out together. Knopa, what's Grumper saying? Let us find out.
It's obvious why he doesn't have any friends. They're afraid of him. He scared me too. Now who wants that, huh? I might be the most friendly, the most hospitable dog in the whole world. I'd even let him smell my bone. Look at the water in my bowl. I'd give him snow, except there's no snow.
Let's have a seat at the table with our guest. Right. Let me go grab some tea now.
I'll bring something tasty.
Huh? Where did all the food go?
He ate every last one, and he didn't share. He didn't wait for anyone, and you let him right into our yard.
Why is it such a big deal? You're likely still too small and don't know how to behave properly at the table. You can't eat everything all by yourself. Now it's time for us to teach you. Here's a pie, and you're supposed to divide it equally.
So that everyone gets to have a piece of the pie.
Ah, I understand now. Thank you very much. I had a really wonderful time. So what are we going to do now? Mona and Jonah, why don't you play with our guest? I'll be back in a little while. I want to play with the shuttlecock.
Hit the shuttlecock by using this racket.
One racket is not enough. I need 2 of these. Better yet, 3.
Don't be greedy. It's more fun to play together.
Why don't we play ball instead? It's more fun to chase it.
Whoa, what a pretty ball you got there. I'm taking it. It's mine now.
Throw it!
No, I'm going to play with it all by myself. Being greedy again? That's not very nice.
It's way more fun when we all play together.
Friends, I have a surprise for you. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. Me first. All mine. Be careful, little bear. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Save me. Please help me.
Hey, Greedy Bear! Return the balloons!
Quick, let the balloons go, or else you'll fly away. But I can't. They're all just so beautiful.
Forget them! Let go of them quickly!
I told you so. He is greedy. The sweets, the apples, the rackets. He took the ball. And now the balloons too.
Little bear, please don't be stubborn. At least try to set one balloon free. All right, fine, I'll do that. But only one, okay? Well done. Look at that. You've stopped already. Now just let one more go, and you'll make your way down. I can't. I want them.
Don't say that. Let it go.
You see that? It didn't help at all. You must learn to let go and avoid being greedy so you can return to the ground. You're doing great! Thank you so much for helping me out. Now I understand that being greedy is really bad and that sharing is great.
Good for you, little bear. Now give me 5.
It's wonderful that the little bear has realized that being greedy is wrong. Bad mood. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ears up and paws apart. Wag those ears and move those paws. So much fun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, morning workouts are really great for a good mood. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go and shake that tail, okay?
This music is so annoying. And these toys, why are they just lying around? Everything's wrong today. The music's too loud, the floor's too hard, and I'm in a really bad mood.
Now 17:42, time to sharpen claws too. Jonah, come on and join us here. Look what I can do. Do you like it?
No, I don't like it. I don't like anything. Your workout's so silly, and you're doing it all wrong. The music's too loud.
Well, we can turn it down if you want.
No, turn it off. Stop stomping around. You've ruined my morning.
Okay, fine. What have you done? You hurt Knopa. Knopa worked so hard to make the workout fun.
I didn't hurt anyone. You're the ones who ruined my morning with all that noise.
Mona, Jonah, are you done with your exercises? Come for breakfast, kids.
We're coming, Mom!
My own recipe. It took Mom and me all morning. A pie made from whatever was close at hand.
Good thing you didn't use stuff close at feet.
Jonah, that is not funny.
It is such a beautiful day, and we even have a pie right here with apples and raspberries. Come on and let's eat.
It's delicious! Jonah, this is your favorite pie.
No, it's not. It's the worst pie in the world.
Jonah, why? What's wrong? Why are you in such a bad mood?
Because you're all doing the things which I don't like. First it was the loud music, then all the stomping around, and now there's a pie. But I want ice cream.
Looks like young Jonah is not having a good day.
What ugly flowers. The wants an even. Stop snoring! That bow doesn't suit you.
All Jonah is doing today is ruining everyone's mood. First, it was Knopa, and then Mom and Dad. And then now, he doesn't even like my cute purple bow. Yes, Grumper, I totally agree with you. Too bad I didn't understand any word you said. Knopa! I'm so glad that you're back! I will translate for you. Purr, purr, purra, meow, meow, murra.
Jonah told me I was snoring, but I don't snore. I've never heard myself snore, so it must mean I don't snore.
This morning, it was still great, but then he came along and ruined the vibe of everyone.
Exactly. A bad mood is contagious.
But I really don't think that his bad mood is random. Maybe something happened.
He probably just woke up on the wrong paw.
I'm really worried about him. We need to talk to Jonah.
Hey, open up.
Grumper, that's terrible manners. That wasn't nice.
It's also not nice to not open the door. He's doing it on purpose.
Knopa, what should we do? Jonah! So can we come in?
Do whatever you want.
Jonah! Are you in there?
He's here.
What are you doing inside the closet?
Just sitting.
Jonah, can you tell us what happened?
I don't know. I got angry this morning and I can't shake it off. I ruined everything and hurt everyone. I'll just sit here forever. Go away.
Whoa, whoa. Do you want for us to help you get rid of that anger?
But how?
You just watch this. Purr, purr, purra, meow, meow, murra. Now repeat after me.
Okay, I can't anymore. Knopa helped me get over my terrible mood. The anger's gone.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, Knopa.
Mona, Grumper, I'm sorry. I was wrong.
Attaboy. Now go and apologize to your parents.
Mom, Dad, I'm really sorry. It won't happen again.
Oh, my sunshine. Come over here and give me a hug.
Oh, good boy. Everything turned out well.
It is very nice when everyone is always in a good mood. Remember